So today we're going to take a look at an ocean view, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath condo at 5B over at Palm Ridge 2 in Myrtle Beach. We're about a block and a half, block and a quarter off the beach itself. This is a really cute boutique building. 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Plus, what's unusual is it also has its own separate office or study here in the front. This is a 9x9 room. And you could turn it into a bedroom if you wanted to, but there is no closet. But it's nice to have this extra space. It's currently being used as an art room. It's got lots of natural light with big windows. There's LVP flooring in the main living areas. It's actually ceramic tile in the guest bedroom here. And this is a good sized guest bedroom with a queen size bed and end tables. Again, nice big windows, lots of natural light. We have a full bath here with a nice comfort height vanity and a tub shower. And there's me. Hi. A little linen closet here. So if you're looking at this video, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right off the bat, one of the nice things about this building is that it does not allow short-term rentals. If you wanted to VRBO a place, this is not for you. If you want to have a place that you could live in or use as a second home or rent out long-term, Palm Ridge 2 is great, but they do not allow short-term rentals in this building. So it's not nearly as hectic or as busy or frankly as loud as the buildings in the area where they do allow short-term rentals. So it's nice and quiet. There are a lot of permanent residents that live in this building. Nice kitchen, granite countertops. Nice island here. This also has its own washer and dryer. There's an area here for a formal dining room table. I'm gonna save the master bedroom for last because I wanna show you the living area, and then more importantly, I wanna show you the porch and the ocean. But you've got a nice big living space here. And I like the way that it's open. And then you've got a great big balcony here. You can look right out onto the beach or the ocean. Excuse me. Palm Ridge also has its own pool. You've got your own little pool and cabana down here that you can use. It's just for the owners in this building. There's a storage closet. And you'll see this in a minute, but the master bedroom also has a door that goes out onto this balcony. This is great. There are 2 parking areas. There's one parking area up front here that's for guests, and then on the other side of the building, there is permanent residence parking, or residence owners parking. Hey guys, we are in, I'm gonna be a little biased here, we're in my favorite area of Myrtle Beach. I live less than a block away from this condo. We are close to shops, restaurants. You can walk to the Fresh Market, you can walk to the beach, you can walk to River City Cafe, which is a restaurant that's right there. Some of the best restaurants in Myrtle Beach, like Hook and Barrel, Fire and Smoke, they're all within walking distance. There's a great pizza joint right here at Mariner's Pizza. Just a wonderful area. I have lived in this part of Myrtle Beach for over 20 years now, and I absolutely love it. It is convenient to everything. And my mom's store, Ooh La La, is just 3 blocks away. So it's a great spot. Highly recommend the north end of the city of Myrtle Beach. We've got a really good sized master bedroom here. Just like the guest bedroom, we've got Beautiful ceramic tile floors. It's got its own ceiling fan. This is a huge room. It's got a oh, I'm sorry, I didn't zoom back out after being on the porch and looking towards the ocean. Got a really nice sized master bedroom here. King size bed. End tables, big closet. Dresser. She's got her own little reading area set up here. And this sliding glass door goes right back out to the porch. From your master bedroom, you could look out and see the ocean. You can see the waves. Not any waves today. It's almost dead calm out there. We've got a nice master bath that was also redone a couple years ago. They took out the old tub shower combo and put in this really pretty ceramic tile shower. This is gorgeous. So, that, vanities, and then there's me. So hello again, my name is Jay Bonnoitt with Century 21 Boling. This is a great unit, 5B at Palm Ridge. You're close to the beach, you're close to shops and restaurants, you're close to the hospital and medical facilities. Everything is right here within walking distance. For more information, give me a call. My number is 843-222-9135. Of course, all my contact information is right below in the YouTube comment section. You need to come take a look at this place before it's gone.